Hello and welcome to another ramble with me. We are looking at IEB November 2022. I cannot wait to be done with these 2022 papers because why is 2022 so hard to say? That time there's like 5 more papers to work through. Anyway, question 10c. It is given that the probability of A is x, the probability of B is 0,6 plus x, and the probability of A and B is 0,36 minus x. If the events of A and B are independent, find the value of x. Okay, so the key thing here is that independent events have the following relationship. The probability of A and B happening is the same as the probability of A times the probability of B happening. So we know that the probability of A and B happening is that the probability of A is x and the probability of B is 0,6 plus x. So this is just going to become a quadratic equation for us to solve. And so we will. In silence. So minus 0,36 plus x. Okay. So this is 1,6x minus 0,36. Just going to multiply through by 100. Of course, you could just, quadratic formula it up in here, but I'm not doing that. Okay, highest common factor here I think is 4, so I'm going to divide through by 4. I feel like after all of this labor, I definitely have to figure out how to factorize this. In fact, yeah, I'm gonna need to do it the long way. So 25x squared, so yeah, I shouldn't be writing that yet. So we are looking for factors of 25 times negative 9 that add up to 40. What is 25 times negative 9? That is negative 225. Okay, so it is a 225 under 1 plus or minus 3 also goes in there. It goes in there 75 times. I'm just looking at the factors of these guys. Next up we have 5, which goes in there 5 times 9 times. It goes in 45 times. Next number we have is 9 and 25. Oh, sorry, I don't even need to carry on because this is my winning pair. If I have a plus 45 and a minus 5, that is going to give me that term. Okay, cool. Right, so let's go right ahead and rewrite the 40 as 45x minus 5x minus 9. And then I'm going to factor out a common 5x here, and I'm left with 5x plus 9. And then here I will factor out a negative 1, and I'm left with 5x plus 9. And we now have a common 5x plus 9 bracket. And first term leaves us with 5x, second term leaves us with minus 1. So that means either 5x plus 9 is 0 or 5x minus 1 is 0. So then 5x is equal to negative 9 and x is equal to negative 9 over 5. Or, okay, I guess I don't need the or again. 5x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 over 5. I've even forgotten what we're solving for. Okay, so we are solving for x. And we know the probability of A is X, so X has to be a number between 0 and 1. So, but X is somewhere between 0 and 1 because it's a probability value. So therefore, X is equal to a fifth, 0,2. Let's see what the memo thinks. The memo agrees, which is perfect. Right and well. Okay, on to the next question. Later.